China has told it will fee new tariff on more than rather than 5,200 US means, if the White's building moves striker in its newest rate risk. The country just as set out the schedule fair days following the US told it was examining high tariff on $200 BN of China consumer goods rather than initially plan. They told the duties would band of 5%, 25% on $60 BN cost of US means. The White's building says its tariff are a answer to China's unjust trading policies, consisting subsidies and rules how need overseas companies in several sectors to give on regional partners. CEO Donald Trump card blames the practices for setting U.S. companies at an inconvenience and help to build a trading deficiency. Instead of retaliating, China should address the long-time concerns on its unjust trade practices, Sarah Sanders, White's Building Click Secretariat, told on Friday. The tariff pursue negotiations the springtime how unsuccessful to make an treaty. At first circle of tariff came in impact on July 6, while the U.S. superimposed 25% taxes on $34 BN of China imports. China retaliated in type. Tariff on else $16 BN cost of means are anticipated, the other portion of tariff on $50 BN cost of imports how the U.S. announced in March. U.S. threats include escalated with, in the CEO proverb he is prepared to levy tariff on all $500 BN of China imports. In July, the U.S. published a listing of $200 BN worth of further means to be hit in tariff of 10%, a drawing the U.S. is now examining increase to 25%. Beijing told the synchronization of the new tariff would rely on if the U.S. follows via on its risk. Concerns on the trading war include already struck China's exchange, that has fallen nearly 9% versus the buck with April. The Human Beings' Banking of China has announced new requirements for specific types of trade in the renminbi, measures how are designed at stabilization the exchange. The tensions are as well possessing an effect on trading fluid. The U.S. trading deficiency, the gap among supply and imports, widened by 7.3% to $1 in June. The deficiency had constricted in early months as companies rushed out supply to hit the imposing of tariff. The trading deficiency in China rose by nearly 1% to $1. The U.S. economics is more than isolated of trading concerns, but China leaders include retaliated strategically, targeting means done in republic districts and definitive consumer goods, love soybeans, how can be acquired in another place. I can think China officials fair kind of hoping how if they do stay hard, each the U.S. will ultimately fair solve to settle down for several symbolical win how doesn't very question or how down there will be a change in US policy, he told.